The majority of schools we look after, the majority of schools have the dining rooms too small, the role of the school is growing, and so if we are to provide a service that becomes more and more popular, which every service we have has grown in its popularity, grown in its income, we've got to have somewhere to feed them or serve them, and so an outside food cube was the answer to dragging some of them outside from the main dining room, having another point of service, and then that becoming equally popular. So it gives us the ability to get some out of the dining room and produce extra income.
Some of our food pods increase sales by £300 to £400 per day on existing business, which is phenomenal. And the reaction of the students is also fantastic. They come back at B&A and it's just like, wow, this is amazing. And we try to do something different in our food pods, grab and go, the sort of street food element to it. Chinese stuff out of there, some Indian stuff out of there. It does move the main queue from the dining room and dilute the queues and move them outside to the food cube as well. So it works.